I know more about it now.
Well, I think that'll have to change immediately. What's for dinner?
Excellent question. I've been meaning to.
Hey, what movie you never seen? Huh?
It's a Top Gun night.
Top Gun.
Still fall.